Hello, and welcome to 1Place Client Console Tutorials. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a new Credential Store domain and add users to it. First, log into your 1Place Client Console. Then, from the left side menu panel select Setup. From the Setup page, select Credential Store tab. Credential Store is for storing the database credentials required for replications. You can add users to the Credential Store. Similarly, you can edit and delete users as well. You can create a new credential domain, or you can use an existing credential domain. Once you add a Credential Store, you can see the tree view on the left side panel. Now let's try adding a Credential Store. Click on the Add Credential Store button on the left side. Click OK. This creates Golden Gate dir directories, subdirectories and a default Credential Store domain called Oracle Golden Gate. Next, we can create a wallet. A wallet is something that stores your master encryption key securely, by storing the encrypted data at rest, and transferring network packets, encrypted across the network. For example, you can create an encryption key, and add it into that wallet. It is an Oracle wallet that stores your master key securely. You can add, view, and renew the master key from the options that are available by right-clicking on it. Now, let's try adding a master key. Click on the Add Master Key button. Once you add a master key, it creates a wallet and a master key inside that wallet. Now, click on the newly created encryption key. Here you can see a tree view and a version 1 of the master key. Right-click on the version 1. This will give you different options. Click on Info Master Key. This shows information regarding the master key, like what date it was created on, current version and status. You can also renew a master key, delete a master key and purge the wallet as well. Suppose you have multiple deployments. For example, you have a deployment in the US and another deployment in the UK. You can transfer the encryption keys from one deployment to the other. Click on Remote Deploy. Here you can choose the deployment you want to transfer the wallet to. The wallet will be transferred through a SSL port, which makes it secure. Now, let's try adding a user to Credential Store. First, we can create a new Credential Store domain. Click on the New Credential Domain tab. Give the name of the domain first. Here, I am giving 1Place as the domain name. Then, give the credential alias, username and the password. Click on the Add User button. On the left side, you can see the newly created domain, along with the user. Click on the domain name, and right-click on the alias we just created, and click Test DB Login. This means, we are logged into that specific database from our AWS EC2 instance. Let's try adding 2 more users to this Credential Store domain. Repeat the same steps as before. All the domains and users will be visible in tree view on the left side panel. Now, let's create a second user called OGGPDB1 under the same domain. Then give the username and password. Click on Add button. A second user is created. you will be able to see the newly created user on the left side. Let's add a third user called OGGPDB2 onto the same domain. Follow the same steps we used before. Thus, we have created 3 users and they can be seen on the left side panel. We can also edit and delete users here. To edit, click on the Edit User tab. Select the credential domain, choose the credential alias and username. Here, you can change the password by giving the new password, and then click on Save. Same way, you can delete users by clicking on the Delete User tab. Select the credential domain, choose credential alias and username. Then, click on Delete User. There will be a warning pop-up asking you to confirm the deletion. Once you click on Yes, it will be wiped off. In the next video, you will see how to do database checks required for replication, and how to add view and delete supplemental logging for the database schemas. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos on 1Place Client Console, subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more information, please see the details in the description down below.